Hello, friends! Back again with me on the Young Boy channel. In front of us, there are 3 large trucks, red and yellow. This time, we will look again for toys in our friends' gardens. For those of you who are curious, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go straight to the video. Let's look for toys in the forest, friends. Wow! Finally, there is a toy, guys! After we have been traveling around for a long time, we finally got it! Let's take it straight away, but before continuing, don't forget to click like and subscribe first. There are a lot of toys here! Whoa, there are so many toys, friends, and colorful! Okay, guys, let's take the first toy and load it into the first truck. Let's take the first toy. Whoa, this is a city ceratop animal. We take it again. Whoa, and here is a white farm horse. We take it again. Wow, and here is another ancient animal, namely the Stegosaurus. We take it again. Wow, the buffalo plows the fields. We take it again. This camel is orange in color. We take it again. Whoa, this one is the millipede caterpillar's toy. Wow, look guys, the truck is full of toys. Let's fill the other truck. We take it again. Wow, I found a mountain goat. We take it again. And this is an ancient animal, namely Spinosaurus. This Spinosaurus is yellow. We take it again. Wow, there is the biggest animal in the ocean, namely the blue whale. We take it again. Wow, there are animals that like to produce milk, namely white and black cows. We take it again. Whoa, and here we find a toy dragon animal. This dragon animal is red, guys. There was a camel carrying a lot of goods, and he was sitting... Wow, look, guys, the truck is full of toys. Let's fill the other truck. Wow, we found an ancient animal, namely the Brontosaurus. It is green. We take it again. Whoa, this is a city ceratop animal. We take it again. Wow, and here is a blue dolphin. We take it again. Whoa, and it turns out there is this. This is a racehorse or racing horse. And the toy here is a dinosaur, and its name is Stegosaurus. We take it again. Whoa, look guys, this is a green dragon, very good once. Let's go to the next truck, guys. We take it again. This is an ancient animal, namely Spinosaurus. We take it again. There is also a toy racing horse here. This racing horse is brown in color. We take it again. Wow, and this is a predatory animal, namely a crocodile. Look at its very sharp teeth. We take it again. Whoa, we meet again with a cool orange racing horse. We take it again. Wow, and this is a friend's elephant. Look at the elephant. It's very big, isn't it? This elephant is usually found in the forest or in the zoo. Okay, guys, we got a lot of toys. Let's take it home right away. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you, bye-bye.